Hey guys, good morning. Today is what's today? Today is March. What's today, Han?
Huh?
What's today? March 23?
Yes.
March 23, Friday, and we'll be going to the beach. We're going to the city. And this is my attire. Look at. And I'm wearing this kind of like a long thingy. It's a very long. I don't know if it's a see-through. And I'm liking this because the cloth is very nice. You can see the background bed in there. And that's my attire for today. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but and also I just had my I don't know what I put. Oh, I put on the sunscreen just like so for a primer, and then I put a little bit of foundation and some eyebrow and lipstick, and that's about it. And of course, thank you so much to all the people who are watching these vlogs wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much. And to all the people that message me and the people that really ask me, where's the new video? Is there a new video? I don't know. I don't post every day, so I think that'll do for now. So, oh, by the way, I'm wearing the nail polish Chic in Bohemia. It's very, very nice and flattering. Don't go out. Told you. So, I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bohemia, Chic in Bohemia. Bye. Hey guys, we're here now. We arrived like 1 hour and 10 minutes. It's very trafficy, but it's okay. I guess we're gonna go inside. The mall's not open yet, no? It's still night. Yeah, not yet.
Pancake house is open.
Yeah, so laters, guys. Hello guys, today I'm gonna take a shout out to Sister Berlin E. Lopez. She's been asking me to take a shout out and I always forgot. And also to my cousin Jim Lin in Parañaque City. Girl, thank you so much for calling me yesterday. Yes, to all the co-workers, her co-workers in there. Yes, she is my blood cousin. Hello. And who else? I forgot. Oh my god. Later. Hey guys, we're here in Smart. We're still waiting for them to open. It's still 9:30 something. They're gonna open 10 o'clock, so we'll just have to wait. Later, so we'll look at the phones inside there. Oh my god, look at the iPhone 8, baby. It says 4K video. Oh my god, look at. It's very handy to the hands also. Just like you can literally just grab it like that. It's only 4.7 inches. I'm liking it. Yay. And it says $2.5 a month, something. Too much. Hello guys, I'm back from town. Oh my god, it's very tiring. Like, it's very, very warm and humid and oh, so black. But anyway, I'm gonna do a very, very quick haul, and after this I'm gonna show you our refrigerator. So this is the the usual stuff that we got. Jollibee. Hold on. Got like the Burger King. And we got some milk for the bata. Still drinking milk. And gonna sit down here. Choco moist, super moist cake. And what is this? Oh, hot cake mix. And toothpaste for our food haul. And then this one from Daiso. We bought a clay for the bata. Clay and some water filters. These are all 88 pesos. And some popsicles container. Finally, I got this one. Been thinking of getting this one every time we go to Daiso, but you know me, it would take me a while to get stuff that I want. And of course, our brush. Look at our old brush. I'm gonna get our old brush. So this is our old brush. Look at like literally the padding, but I like it. Combing my hair like this, it's very nice. And this one, it's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, but let's try it. If it feels good on the head, I want to try it. Wow, kind of stiff. It's very stiff. I don't like it stiff. Yeah, it's okay. It's nice. It's kind of heavy too. So we're done with the Daiso haul. Guys, today I'm gonna do a what's in my fridge video. This has been tagged to me by Ate Milo. Hello Ate Milo. She tagged me to do this what's in my fridge, and Anna Tids also. Links of their channel are in the description box if you wanna go ahead and check their channel. I will leave their links down, and they are very nice, wonderful YouTubers as well. So here is the video of what's in my fridge, and enjoy. Thank you so much, guys. This is our fridge. It's LG inverter, smart inverter. Oh my god, you can see my reflection in the mirror. Oh, you can see my body in the reflection, but anyway, this is a smart inverter. It got the double door up and down, and this is the bottom drawer. Let's start this. This is an impromptu. I didn't clean this or anything. I just put the chocolates in here, Chockies, and some sodas, Gatorade, mayonnaise, sodas, and onion, silver skin onion, mayonnaise, and what else is here? Mayonnaise and cream cheese. This is mine, by the way. Hubby don't eat cream cheese made in the Philippines. And of course, our calamay. This is from Bohol, originally from Bohol. And what's inside here? Oh my god, our rice. Our rice. Tarang! I put it in here because the ants are getting them, and some pork and more Gatorade. And then in the bottom drawer, we got some cellophane here. Calamansi, tomatoes, some other vegetables, common ones. I don't usually stock up much because they're very, very easily spoiling. So that's it. So now let's proceed. Oh, don't mind the kalat there. So now let's proceed the shelf here. This is the cheese we just bought from the city. Cheese. And this is the egg drawer here. And we got this. Who wants this? Who wants some red eggs? And some butters, cheese, butters, and some sodas. I know. Some sodas, mustard. These are the, oh, what's this? Throw that away. So this is just the mustard, barbecue sauce, and some more sodas, and tomato paste. And in the bottom part here is the chocolate. I put baking soda. What's this? Pickles, horseradish, more horseradish, and cocktail sauce. What? Focus. Okay. Focus, cocktail sauce, horseradishes, water, and ketchup. That's it. That's here. That's our fridge air. Oh, this is our fridge area. Now the frozen stuff, oh, we don't have it here yet. Okay. Now the frozen stuff here in the top. There you go. I made ice water, and this is just a fish and some meat and more meat, and then, oh my god, ice cream, strawberry ice cream. Hubby likes that strawberry ice cream. And this one, we just bought this from the city today. This is 175 ground pork, ground beef, and then this one is from Chokes. Wait, this one, ice cream. My kids loves ice cream. I eat ice cream too sometimes, once in a while. And then this fried chicken, we got this from Chokes. It's only 100 pesos a bag. So that's our fridge. Don't worry, the kid will eat this later on. This is from this morning. He likes that. So this shelf is empty, and this one like popsicle. And that's basically it, you guys. So that's it, you guys. What else you want me to show you? Oh, I bought something from the makeup store. And this is surprise. I got this nail polish top coat, and then everyday lipstick, and this is 80 pesos. A lot of commenting on how I say pesos and pesos. 80 pesos. This is from EB, and I got the shade Magic Lipstick, and I got shade strawberry. Let's try this, you guys. It's very nice. Let's see. I already have lots and lots of swatches here because I went to the Watson store and I've been looking for that nice lipstick from Maybelline, the one that they have, but they don't have it yet. So I'm not gonna buy anything that I don't know about. So that's it. I think this one's pretty good. Okay, that's about it. I think that's about it. So what else you want me to haul, you guys? Of course, also I'd like to take this shout out. Of course, I'd like to take this opportunity to take a shout out to all the people who are watching my videos. Thank you so much. And oh my god, I always forgot people that I want to shout out on my video. I think I have to writing down on the note and then read it in front of the camera, because I'm really bad in memorizing and remembering things. So that has been our day, and I'm gonna go get the kid, pick up the kid, and I think we'll call it a day. We're gonna, So my kuan dito daw niya. And I don't know what else to say. What else you want me to say? So guys, hello guys. So what else? I forgot. Oh my god. So if you enjoyed today's video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye. Thank you so much.